Welcome back to the DIY Auto Repair channel. This is Jeff with All Around Auto Techs. Today we have a 2012 Chevy Equinox LTZ with an engine code for the throttle. And this one here is a doozy because in order to, this is a different one. Some sensors come with this sensor connector facing down, sideways, different positions. But this particular one, that's the way it is. It's got 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. You see the bolts? 1, 2, 3. And it goes in like so, right? But the problem is getting to it. To do that, you have some 10mm bolts here and some bolts holding in this body control module, and it's right in the way here. And I have this hanging down because I don't necessarily have to disconnect it. I'll leave it like it is, but this is where it was bolted to, the body control module. Okay, bolts here, and it's just enough in the way where you can't get to these bolts. I mean, you may be able to get to this one, which is on the other side, but the back two, including, you can see the back side of the other one right here, and here's one of them that I already took out. So I have 2 of them out, 1 left. And to get this, first I, of course, took all the bottom stuff off here. This panel here. This was here. 4 10mm bolts. Get that out the way so you can see in here. Okay? And then that's what you want to do there. And as far as this connector, which is on, it's hard to get to while it's on it, but you'll have to take a pick or something to move this back and then push on it, because it's a security lock. It's pushed down originally. Push it up and push down, pull out. And I left this plugged in. I'm not going to unplug it. And get the last bolt, and then we'll come back.